Real Life Trading is more than a company. We are a movement, and our mission is to enrich lives. We do that by helping people from all over the world, just like you, learn, know, and fully understand, really embody how to profitably trade all markets, Forex, crypto, stocks, options, futures, everything. And we do it from a place of love, from a place of care.
There's no company like this on the earth that I'm aware of. RLT is real people doing real things together, and the free education. You can come to RLT and never spend a dime on anything past the free education and learn to trade profitably for the rest of your life and make this a job, a full-time job if you wanted to.
Real Life Trading is different than any other group that you've probably seen online or YouTube. They really don't care about your money. It's not about your money, it's about who you are and how you can grow.
We just so happen to have the highest customer service rating of any stock market education company on earth because we outcare the competition. We do more than just teach you strategies. We work on your mindset, your heart set. We help you embody everything that's required to stay profitable for your entire journey. And when you're profitable for your entire life, you're able to give more to your family, more to your community, more to your church. And when you give more, ladies and gentlemen, you live more.
RLT is different from other trading companies that I've used in the past because the content is free. When you finish the content, you can trade on your own. There's not going to be another sales pitch where you have to pay $5,000 to learn a trading strategy that may or may not work. RLT gives it to you for free. They provide you a community support. The most supportive community I've ever found is with Real Life Trading.
What makes RLT different is the community. We are a community of traders for traders. Everyone has gone through the beginners classes, the intermediate classes, so we have the same lingo. We're here for each other. Whenever you need a second opinion on your setup, you need some advice, you can always go into the Slack channel, ask. That is the main strength. It's the ability to interact with the other traders. This is not just a business that wants to make money of you when you trade. This is a community. That it's a movement. So this is for not only the beginners, it's also for the seasoned trader who does not want to sit there all alone in the office, but actually wants someone to discuss your passion with.
What we do is form relationships with our students, and it's so much better that way because since we encompass more than just trading, you've got all the relationship stuff built up so you can easily move into other areas of their lives and affect that and enrich that way.
That's one of the cool things about RLT is that it's not just about trading, it's about your life and being able to give back and enriching everything in your life, not just your monetary gains, but your physical gains, your mental gains. We do retreats together, we hang out, and we really just try to be better human beings on earth and help other people be better human beings and support their family. You know, it's about living life to its fullest.